Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase another one. We're going to bring another exciting reasoning from the topic of dancehall and entertainment. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But then like the reason and of course like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kicking the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Finally, nation, some more good news for the fans. Now, truth be told, dancehall is not the same without Vybz Kartel. I am from the generation that does not know dancehall without Vybz Kartel, and the fans have been saying musically it feel like a drought. From you call him name a dancehall, you call him music of the fans them a party from wall to wall. And ladies, the teacher, they tell you, we have everything you need. Everything you need. The Into You street mix. Big up Canasi in Brooklyn. Pop Smoke spot, you know the thing go. You know a teacher said Brooklyn. May I make hear a snippet from a track and they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
That you stayed, yeah, me need you for sharing the life that I've made. I'ma love you beyond your old age. I'm a queen, did you get the news? Are you right?
Yes, nation, now let's continue the reasoning. Now, first and foremost, Vybz Kartel is one of the only artists. I'm not talking just about dancehall, I'm talking about artists overall that can be featured with any artist on any type of rhythm. And this is clearly proof of that. Now, recently we hear the fans attack. Yes, the fans attack. Them I wonder if the fans literally a beg Short Boss to release a track. We hear them a big Short Boss, say, please Short Boss, we want the album. Well, people big up Iko and Short Boss for that one. And based on the feature, we know this is something not only dancehall fans but R&B fans to the type of rhythm and hip-hop fans I could definitely love that one. We already hear the reaction from North American fans. We already hear the reaction from fans right across the Caribbean diaspora. And the fact that fans have been waiting for a new track release. Cold Sweat wash dancehall when teaching a drop no music for too long. But we're not self fans of good music. Gaza Nation will never worry. We know the doubt. We know the people might anticipate the full-length album. But we know it will be powerful for the full-length album drop when the teacher they are road. The superstar them can fly in from overseas. Travel documents return to him. And him can start fly out again. Because at this point, no embassy in the world can deny that their country and the citizens that live there rather no want to see Vybz Kartel. Anywhere in the world we visit right now that dancehall and reggae music has touched, them know Vybz Kartel music and I listen it over there. I would have loved to see an in-person performance. Me I tell you that. And speaking of the music, what is amazing is that Vybz Kartel music continues to evolve with the times. Some of the artists stagnant, while Vybz Kartel continues to deliver fresh flow, fresh cadence of voice, and some of the strongest lyrical content that I have ever heard in music. Vybz Kartel is one of them artists that we can't just say in a dancehall. It's like when we talk about Bob, them we can't just say in a reggae, we have to just say in a music. If we talk about great singers that we're going to talk about music, we're going to say Garnet, we're not going to just say in a reggae. Because the level of creativity is on par with all of the other big names in any other genre of music across the world. And Vybz Kartel's legacy has shown the state that the people's minds are not something where you can control, you can deceive. You can try to deceive the masses. If you tell people what to think, what to wear, what to listen to, you don't have them powers there. Gaza Nation, big up on yourself for the unwavering support and to an artist like Vybz Kartel, him not deserve nothing less. Nation, tell me how you feel about the track. Of course, R.I.P. Pop, him definitely put the New York drill scene on the map. There's no doubt about that. Not the only artist doing drill, but you know that I mean when I say an artist bring the movement to the forefront. Him being the only artist who do it, it couldn't be a movement. But yes, other artists did do it. Some do it even before him. But the type of music, the energy, the support from the fans definitely helped to put the New York drill scene on the map. And the rest was history. 5 years foreign them can tell it. This is definitely a track that should be added to your playlist. You know, someone forward up a track where you can roll to. You know what I mean? You know, drive, go to whatever destination you travel to. You want to listen to it, ladies, and you can listen to it on your own. All the vibes. And if I one thing the ladies can definitely say, Vybz Kartel always cater to their musical needs. When some other artists not pay no attention to women them, not drop no track with even a line or no verse or nothing, but the ladies can gravitate to all the vibes to while, you know, and feel a part of the music scene. Vybz Kartel is always there, along with some others. Now I mean, no Dexter Daps are always there for the girl them. Along with a few others, they must say skill is a slappy for the girl them. Hey, tongue not stop long out. And Little Vybz and Little Addy also have some more projects in the works. Something I mix and master, and you know them are work on some new tracks as well. Experts, yes, are still currently working on the mobile devices. Findings will be documented and the world will be notified. The world definitely in high anticipation at this moment in time. And of course, the Vybz Kartel to stand strong. And Bert Samuels that said his client Sean Storm remains confident. Those were powerful statements from Bert Samuels, you know what I mean? And what he said about the judge was definitely profound. Seeing the way the state reacted after Isaac said, hand over the phone. Even though the DPP made a recommendation, they should have never agreed with her, seeing that the trial judge was quoted by the clerks as saying that, yes, the evidence was contaminated. That alone should have been reason to hand the device over. But them dance and go in a bag of thing. But we are no long past that phase, and freedom is a must. So the fans them are ball for some new music, and here is some new music for the fans. And definitely some good news. I look forward for some great major announcements. No, we couldn't use one word to describe it. But we are look forward. The people still are look forward to hear the Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel track and the King of Kingston album. If you like people forget, comment section open nation. Talk to me. I'm gonna know how to feel about this new track in particular. Vybz Kartel, Pop Smoke, the Into You Street Mix. I'm gonna know how to feel about the case and the progression thus far. And the fact that the obstacles that the system has tried to put in the way of justice has been removed. As I say, for the fans of international music, our fans of dancehall who reside overseas overall, fans of music who listen different genres of music, this have a little something for them. R&B crowd, the type of rhythm, of course, as I made a point out earlier on the reasoning. Pop Smoke being added, hip hop that signified, you know what I mean, the whole rap culture, the whole other movement there. And Vybz Kartel representing Jamaican and Caribbean music at its finest. Yes, the ladies that got into this, they got pass and hear them and sing to this. And for the young artists, them probably by the first of next month, you know what I mean, all going well. We're gonna start up, you know what I mean, the promo again. Yeah, we're gonna kick off the review special. You know what I mean? You know the thing going, for those who don't, you have to contact the IG page. I mean Jaden_Chase_. You know I mean, just a simple DM. You can know where you're about, and we will give you the details. Don't know King Addy said dancehall can't stall. Simple meaning with added talent, new artists are found in the game and bring something to the table. Dancehall music will continue to grow and continue to flourish. That's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm reminding you now. You click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the blogging shoot. The share icon is located in the close proximity, within close proximity to the like icon. So of course, after they drop a like, what's a share, and that is the arrow icon. You can use it to share the video upon any social media platform of your choosing. You know what I mean? Your IG, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, you name it. You know what I mean? Now the comment section is open 24/7. Never lock yet, but you have to be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know there's something going for those who don't. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are for no live, love, and prosper until we reason again.